Dear educators, have you ever analyzed how exactly can you calculate the carbohydrate, fat and the protein content in your organic component? It could be a food, it could be anything. Now to make that much easier, in the Olabs application, we have an experimentation for you. Just click on biology. Now as soon as you click on biology, so one thing I'll tell you, you can always use your finger or you can use your stylus. There is no compulsion as to what is to be used. Detection of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. As soon as you click on that, just click on simulator, right? Now, in case you want to analyze the carbohydrates, and in the carbohydrates, you want to analyze the starch content. So for the starch content, we all know we need iodine test. Similarly, in case if we want to understand the glucose, then we have Benedict's and Felling's test. Both the tests have different solutions. So what solutions are needed is something you can use this and explain it to the students. Similarly, for fats, you need Sudan 3 test and paper soap test, and how exactly it is done, it is shown here. Now for proteins, you have the Burette test, you have the Milon's test, and you have Xanthopyrix test. So once you click on this, it will show you the components needed to perform this experiment. Thank you so much.